Good morning. So today we are going to continue this probability only. So in that we are discuss now the total law of probability. Total law of probability. Okay. So here now we know that sample space. So here you can observe the S is a sample space. Means sample space nothing but all the sample space refers to the set of all possible outcomes of a random experiment. That means whenever we can throw a dice a single time, that means there are there are six possibilities are there. That means sample space contains the six. Okay, if it is at a time you can throw the two dice, so the sample space is 36. That is a six square. That means one combination, 1 2 combination, like that 1 3 1 4, like that 36 possibilities are there. In the random experiment, some events, that means of maximum possible outcomes are nothing but sample space. Here, here this with the sample space associated with some random experiment, and here E1, comma E2, and so on En are the mutually exclusive events. So these mutual exclusive events are associated with this random experiment. Okay, if A is any event, so now A is any event any event which occurs which occurs with E1, E2, and so on En. Then what is the probability? So in the last class we have discussed of the conditional probability. So here the probability A, we know that probability B is known that we can find out the probability of A based on the probability of B. So that means this probability of B is already occurred. Okay, that is the conditional probability. So now we are going to discuss about the total law of probability. So this total law of probability here. So S is a sample space and even to En are the mutual exclusive events. In that A is some event, the probability of event A which is occurs with E1, E2, En. So here all these events are associated with the sample space along with some random experiment. Now what is the formula for this probability of A? That is probability of E1 into probability of E1, sorry, probability of A, that is probability A divided by E1 plus probability of E2, probability of A divided by E2, and so on. Probability of En, probability of A this is what the conditional probability. Okay, this is A, that means the probability of A is occurred with this E1, this A is occurred with this E2, A is occurred with this En. So then is the total probability of A. Sorry. Here see one example for this. Here a bag contains, so here a bag contains three black balls, and four red balls. Three black balls, bag contains three black, four red, and a second bag contains four black and three red. And one bag is selected at random. That means from these two bags, we can select only one bag at random. So from the selected bag, so we can draw one ball. So now find the probability that the ball drawn is red. So red ball drawn sedante. That means suppose here E1 is the selecting bag 1. Now here E1 is the event that is selecting the bag 1. Selecting bag 1. Now E2 is the selecting event that is the selecting bag 2. Now A is nothing but this is the draw red ball. So this is A is the event. So that event is what? Draw red ball. From this, any one of these bags, either bag 1 or bag 2. Okay, now here the probability, that means what is the probability of selecting one bag? So here how many bags are there? Only two bags. That means probability of selecting one bag is 1 by 2 and second bag is also 1 by 2. Okay. So selecting one of the bags at random. Either first bag or select bag. So second bag, there is only two bags. That's why the half of the chances are there. That means 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. Now the probability of drawing red ball when first bag has been chosen. That is, suppose probability of red ball when the first bag has chosen. So how many number of balls are there in first bag? That means 7 bags. Out of these 7 balls, so 4 are sorry. Now the conditional probability. Why? Because even is already occurred. So from even we can select one red bag. So here even is what type of even? That means selecting one bag. So from this bag, we can select one ball. So that ball is a red ball. So from this ball, how many number of from this bag contain how many number of uh, balls? That means 7. Out of these 7, 4 are the red. That means probability is what? 4 by 7. Then now select the probability of drawing red ball when second bag is chosen. Probability of red bag when the second bag is chosen. That is probability of, this is a conditional probability. Probability of red bag. So that is A is nothing but even. That is which type of even? That is draw red ball. So that red ball is drawn from the selecting bag is second one. Now how many number of balls are there? Again this also contains 7 balls. Sorry, no, this contains only 4 balls and 2 red balls. So here 4 block, 2 red. So total 6, out of which 2 only red. Now, what is the total law of probability? Now we can find out the total law of probability, that is nothing but P of A. Here P of E1. So P of E1 is what only? P of E1 into P of A by A of E1 plus P of E2, probability of E2, that is nothing, selecting second bag and selecting the red ball from the second bag. Okay. Now 1 by 2, 4 by 7 plus 1 by 2, that is 2 by 6. Now it is that is 2 by 7 plus 1 by 6. 1 by 6. Now it is 6 to the 14, 42 here. Okay. Nothing but, sorry, 6 to the 12 plus 7. That is 19 by 42 is the total probability. Okay. This is what the total probability. So this is the example for total probability. Now, so like that some other problems. Suppose in a bulb factory, 3 machines, namely A, B, C, produces 25%, 35% and 40% of total bulb respectively. Further output 5, 4 and 2 respective percentage are defective bulbs respectively. So now you can find out a bulb is drawn at random from products. So what is the probability that the bulb drawn from the defective? That means ఇక్కడ మనకి ఏమడుతున్నాడు? So ఇక్కడ first event ఇచ్చాడు, that is probability of event, that is 3 bulbs A, B, C at the bulb factory. 3 machines are there, A, B, C machines are there. So A produce at 25%, so B produce 35%, and the next this is what C machine produce what 40%. Okay, and even E2, E3 be the B and A be the defined events. That means even is the bulb is manufactured by the machine. Even is the bulb manufactured by the machine A. E2 is the bulb manufactured by the machine B. So this is the bulb manufactured by the C. So here 40% is the success rate, and coming to the failure rate. That means here. So coming to here, the failure rate is P of E1 by, sorry, A by E1. Here A is the event, so that is a defective bulb. A and event, that is randomly select some bulb, so that is a defective bulb. defective bulb. So first one success cells in a defective చెప్పొచ్చు. So ఇక్కడ మనకి defective rate కూడా ఇచ్చాడు. That is the first one is the 5%, and from the second machine, so that is the 4%, and the third machine is that is what 2%. Then find the total probability. That is, you know the formula P of A equal to, that is P of E1 into sorry, here total probability is P of A equal to P of E1 into this one, that is 25 by 100 into 5 by 100. Okay. Plus next one is what? P of E2 into this one, conditional probability, that is the second machine. This is the success one and this is the defective one. Okay, then next one is the 40% into defective one is this one. So now this is, so after simplification, so it gives so this is the one. So if you have to simplify this one, that is 4, so this is 25. So simplify చేయండి. So something got. అంటే ఇప్పుడు ప్రాబిలిటీ డిఫెక్టివ్ ఒక బల్బ్ సెలెక్ట్ చేశారు. దట్ బల్బ్ డిఫెక్టివ్ బల్బ్ ఏంటి అంటే మనకి డిఫెక్టివ్ బల్బ్ యొక్క ప్రాబిలిటీ ఏంటి అంటే, సో దిస్ ఈస్ ద డిఫెక్టివ్ బల్బ్ ప్రాబిలిటీ. సో లైక్ దట్ టోటల్ ప్రాబిలిటీ, దట్ మీన్స్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ ఈవెంట్స్ ఇస్తాడు. సో ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ ఈవెంట్స్ నుండి మనకి number of bags or number of bulbs, like that number of istaadu. So there you can find out the total probability. Next one is the binomial distribution. So next one is the binomial distribution. You know that binomial distribution in school level as well as in intermediate level. So binomial approach is a discrete likelihood convenience. So this distribution was discovered by a mathematician, Bernoulli, and it is used in situations where an experiment results in two possibilities only. So that means whenever the experiment gives only two possibilities, there we are using this binomial distribution. So this binomial distribution is a discrete probability distribution, so which express the probability of one set of two alternatives. That means one set of two alternatives as a P and other set of alternatives are failures, as the Q. Now the binomial distribution formula is like this: x minus x equal to ncx, here q to the power of n minus x, p to the power of x. So here p is nothing but success. So small, this is the success, probability of success. This is what the probability of success, and q is the probability of failure. So this is what the probability of failure. Now n is nothing but number of trials. Number of trials. Okay, and so this is what the probability of x success. So this is the probability of success in n trials. In n trials. So from n trials, what is the probability? Suppose see here some problem is like this. Suppose you can toss 8 coins at a time. 8 coins or toss 8 coins. 8 coins are tossed at a time. Tossed at a time or same time. Discover the likelihood of getting. Discover the likelihood of getting no less than 6 heads. No less than 8 coins are tossed at a time. discover the likelihood of getting no less than 6 heads. Okay, here that means at a time how many number of coins are tossed? 10 and equal to, sorry, 8, only 8 coins. Okay, now here probability of getting head. So whenever we can toss a coin, probability of getting head is what? And probability of getting head, suppose head, and question lo heads annadu kabatti I am taking it success as a head. Okay, that is what? 1 by 2. Only two alternatives are there. From those we can select only one, that means head, either head or either tail. So Q is what? Probability of getting tail. So this is what? 1 by 2. Then we can find out at least 6 heads. At least 6 heads. That means here at least 6 heads, nothing but here at least 6 heads. Minimum 6, maximum any and gauge. That means probability of 6 heads plus probability of 7 heads plus probability of 8 heads. Okay. Then here 6 heads. Now here 6 is nothing but, that is 8. X value is nothing but what? And here, so x equal to 6, 7 and 8. Now 8C6. So here 8C6. So probability of success is what? Q is the failure, 1 by 2 into n minus x. That is what? 8 minus x into 1 by 2. That is x value plus 8C7 1 by 2. 8 minus 7 1 by 2 7 plus in 8C8 1 by 2. 8 minus 8 0, nothing but 1. 1 by 2, this is what? 8. Now simplify this one. So what is the value for this? That is 8C8, nothing but 6 factorial, that is 8 factorial divided by what is that? 8 factorial divided by 8 minus 6, 2 factorial into 6 factorial. 8 minus 6, 4 factorial. 8 factorial, oh, sorry, 6 factorial. Now 8 into 7 into 6 factorial, factorial 2, this is 4, that is what? 28. So 28 into, this is what? 1 by 2. Here 2, this is what? 1 by 2, 6. That means total 1 by 8. 1 by 8 nothing but 250. 2 to the power of 8 nothing but 2 to the power of 8 nothing but 1. 256 plus here 8C7 factorial. Now here the 7 factorial, the 7 factorial is only 8. 8 into here 1, here 7. That is again 256. Here 8 factorial, 8C8, nothing but 1. 1 into 1 by 256. So here 28 plus 8 plus 1 divided by 256. That is what? 28 plus 8. Total is 37 by 256. So this is what the probability. Whenever we can toss 8 coins, so 6, at least 6 heads. What is the probability? That is 37 by 256. So this is what the binomial distribution. That means when this binomial distribution is used, only 2 outcomes are there. So but number of trials are there. So from those trials, each and every trial has only 2 outcomes. Then we are using this binomial distribution for finding the probability. Next one is another one, that is the continuous uniform distribution. Otherwise simply say that continuous distribution. That is, the continuous distribution is the probability distribution of random number of selection from the continuous interval between A and B. Continuous interval, suppose from 1 to 10 times. So how we are finding that one? So it is that here its density function is defined by some graph. Here the suppose formula is like this. That is, first we use the formula. That's a density function. This is called as density function. 1 by BA when A less than or equal to X less than or equal to B. So if it is otherwise 0 when X less than A and X greater than B. So if it is A to B, then 1 by 1 B minus A. This is the density function. So if f of x equal to 0, then where x less than A, x greater than B. So this is for the density function. Now, so see here one problem. Suppose you are leading a test. Suppose you are leading a test and present an inquiry on the crowd 20 contenders. So, మీరు ఒక సర్వే చేస్తున్నారు, అదర్వైజ్ ఎంక్వైరీ చేస్తున్నారు. సో అండ్ దట్ దట్ మీన్స్ క్రౌడ్ వచ్చేసి ఎంత 20 contenders. So the time permitted to answer the inquiry in 30 seconds. That means starting is 0th second to 30th second లో ఆ పర్సన్ మనకి ఆన్సర్ చేయాలి. దట్ ఈస్ ద 30th seconds లో పర్సన్. దిస్ ఈస్ వాట్ ద టైం లిమిట్. So what number of persons is prone to react inside 5 seconds? So 5 seconds లో మనకి ఎంతమంది పర్సన్స్ రియాక్ట్ అవుతారు? So that is, so the interval of probability distribution is 0 to 30 seconds. Now the density function here what only 30 minus 0, that is 1 by 30. This is the probability density. So this is what the probability density. Okay. Now, so this is the first step. So first step ఏం చేస్తున్నాం మనకి? First we have to find out the probability density. After finding the probability density, the problem లో ఏమి ఇచ్చారు మనకి? Suppose you are leading a test and presenting an inquiry and the crowd 20 contender participants. So the time permitted to answer the inquiry is 30 seconds. Only 30 seconds లో complete చేయాలి. So what number of persons is prone to react inside of 5 seconds? That is 5 seconds long. So here regularly the participants are required to click a catch of right decisions and song is picked on the premises of first snap. ఇది జస్ట్ ఏం లేదు, 30 seconds లో మనకి రియాక్ట్ అవ్వాలి. సో మాక్సిమం 30 seconds. సో 5 seconds లో మనకి ఎంత వరకు అవ్వచ్చు ప్రాబిలిటీ. Now the requirement is how many will respond in 5 seconds. So 5 seconds లో ఎంతమంది రెస్పాండ్ అవుతున్నారు? How many are respond in 5 seconds? That we are finding. That what we are finding. So that is the subinterval is now what ending 0 to 5. So based on this, now the probability here what ending? Probability along the x less than 5. X, that means probability is 0 to 5 variki cheyamannadu. That means x, now the probability is x less than 5 is a proportion of width of these two intervals. So ఈ two intervals లో ఇది మనకి possible అవుతుంది. So that here 5, here 5, here the total 30. Okay, this is what 1 by 6. So this is what 1 by 6. Otherwise, okay, this is 1 by 6. Now subsequent to there are 20 contenders are there. That means total గా ఎంతమంది ఉన్నారు? 20 are there. So from these 20, 5 seconds లో ఎంతమంది రియాక్ట్ అవుతున్నారు ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. దట్ మీన్స్ 1 by 6. So the probability for 5 seconds is 1 by 6. Here this is 1 by 6 into 20. So probability is 3 point something. That means how many member of persons, how many contenders participate within the 5 seconds? That means only 3. అంటే సో 30 seconds లో మనకి ఎంక్వైరీ అనేది కంప్లీట్ అవ్వాలి. ఓకే, అందులో 20 persons ఉన్నారు. సో 5 seconds లో ఎంతమంది మనకి రెస్పాండ్ అవ్వచ్చు అంటే ఓన్లీ 3 members కెన్ రెస్పాండ్. దిస్ ఈస్ అ కంటిన్యూస్ డిస్ట్రిబ్యూషన్ ఆర్ సింప్లీ యూనిఫామ్ కంటిన్యూస్ డిస్ట్రిబ్యూషన్. ఓకే, వన్ మోర్ డిస్ట్రిబ్యూషన్ ఇస్ దేర్, దట్ ఈస్ అ ఫ్యాషన్ డిస్ట్రిబ్యూషన్. Here next one is a Fashion distribution. So what is the fashion distribution? Here, fashion is very convenience. That is, fashion convenience is discrete likelihood dispersion. So this broadly used in measurable work. So this is produced by French mathematician Denis Fashion. Uh, Here, this is used. Suppose faulty things in an assembling organization. That means suppose an example. అంటే ఇది మనకి ఎలా యూజ్ అవుతుందంటే టు మెజరబుల్ ద వర్క్ అంటే వైల్ మెజరింగ్ సమ్ వర్క్ suppose for instance the likelihood of faulty things in an assembling organization is little, the likelihood of happening trimmer in a year is little. That means అంటే మనకి ఏదైనా ఒక మెజరబుల్ వర్క్ జరుగుతుంది. సో ఆ మెజరబుల్ వర్క్ జరుగుతున్నప్పుడు సో ఎంత ఎంత వర్క్ అనేది జరుగుతుంది. దట్ ఈస్ వాట్ వీఆర్ ఫైండింగ్. సపోజ్ హియర్ చూడండి. So a producer of pins realized that the normal 5% of his item is faulty. Out of 100, 5% is only faulty items. So he offers the pins in a parcel of 100. So out of 100, 5% are faulty, and insurances that not more than 4 pins will be flawed. So what is the likelihood that a bundle will meet ensured quality? అంటే మనకి ఎంత క్వాలిటీ ఉంటుంది. సో దాన్ని ఎలా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయొచ్చు అంటే ఏదైనా ఆర్గనైజేషన్లో ఒక ఐటమ్స్ ప్రొడ్యూస్ చేస్తున్నాము. సో అక్కడ డిఫెక్టివ్ రేట్ ఎలా ఉంది, సక్సెస్ రేట్ ఎలా ఉంది. సో అలాంటి కేసెస్లో వీఆర్ యూజింగ్ దిస్ ఫ్యాషన్ డిస్ట్రిబ్యూషన్. సో మీకు ఫ్యాషన్ డిస్ట్రిబ్యూషన్ మీకు ఎగ్జామ్లో రాదు. కంప్లీట్లీ థియరీ ఓరియంటెడ్ క్వశ్చన్స్. సో ఎందుకంటే మనకి ఫ్యాషన్ డిస్ట్రిబ్యూషన్స్ ప్రాబిలిటీస్ వచ్చినప్పుడు కంపల్సరీ మనకి ఎక్స్పోనెన్షియల్ వాల్యూస్ తెలిసి ఉండాలి. సో దట్స్ వై సో దీస్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఆర్ నాట్ ఇన్ కాంపిటేటివ్ ఎగ్జామ్స్. సపోజ్ ద formula for this fashion distribution is, so here also n number of trials. Okay, so we can find out the x probability with the n number of trials. Here e to the power of minus m into m to the power of x divided by x factorial. So capital X factorial. So here m is nothing but probability of success. M is nothing but probability of success, and P of x minus x is the probability of x successes out of x, n trials. Probability of x success. Okay. Now see here that suppose see one example here. That example is a producer of pins. A producer can produce the pins. A producer of pins, nothing but produce the pins. Realized that on a normal 5% of his item fault. So out of 100, only 5% are faulty items. So he offers pins in a parcel. He offers pins in a parcel of 100 and insurances that not more than 4 pins. That means only 4 pins మాత్రమే. Out of 100, 4 మాత్రమే మనకి ఏంటి, that means 4 pins మాత్రమే మనకి fault pins. So will be fault. So what is the likelihood that a bundle will meet the ensured quality? అంటే 100లో 4 మనకి డిఫెక్టివ్ ఉన్నప్పుడు సో హియర్ 100లో 4 డిఫెక్టివ్ ఉన్నప్పుడు ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తున్నాము, హౌ వి ఆర్ ఫైండింగ్ సక్సెస్ రేట్. సో ఫర్ దట్ వి ఆర్ యూజింగ్ దిస్ ఫ్యాషన్ డిస్ట్రిబ్యూషన్. So see here now the problem. So P equal to probability of defective pin. probability of defective pin. So defective pin probability enti ante 5%. Okay, that is what 5 by 100. So here total enti n equal to 100. N equal to 100 and p equal to what? 5 by 100. Now n into p equal to what? 100 by 100 into 5 by 100, that is nothing but 5. Okay. Now the Paschen distribution is like this. So here this is the Paschen distribution formula. So here the required probability enti manaki required probability equal to P of packet will meet the guarantee. Packet will meet the guarantee. అంటే 100లో 100లో 4 కంటే ఎక్కువ డిఫెక్ట్ ఉండదు guarantee. Okay. Now here this is equal to P contains up to 4 defectives only. Contains up to 4 defectives. So ఇందులో మనకి 4 defective మాత్రమే ఉంటాయి. So packet will be the guarantee nothing but contains up to only 4 defectives. Now up to 4 nothing but P of 0, P of 1, P of 2, P of 3 plus P of 4. Now P of 0 nothing but what and here this is the formula. That means P of 0, that means here this is total and x value here 5. Small x is what? 0 to 4. Now x equal to 5. That means 5 minus 0 nothing but e to the power of 5 into 5 to the power of 5 divided by 5 factorial. Sorry. This is a continuation. Okay. So ఇంతకుముందు ప్రాబ్లం చూడండి మనకి okay ఇది ఇంతకుముందు ప్రాబ్లం suppose here so you see here probability of P of 0. That means here they are finding the first probability of P of 0 plus P of 1 plus P of 2 plus P of 3 plus P of 4. So ఇక్కడ మనకి ఏముంది సార్ x value equal to 5 and small x equal to 0 to 4 only. Okay. Now here so small x equal to that is e to the power of minus 5 means here the formula is what and P of x minus x equal to e to the power of minus m, there is a probability m into m to the power of x divided by capital X factorial. So here 5 m to the power of here x, so m is nothing but here what and 5 0 divided by 5 0 divided by 0 factorial. Okay, that is now x by x factorial. So here x small x capital x by x factorial. So plus e minus e of minus 5 only. Okay, now the here 5 1 by 1 factorial plus minus 5 5 2 by 2 factorial plus E of minus 5, that is 5, 3 by 3 factorial, plus here E of minus 5 by 5 to the power of 4 by 4 factorial. Okay, so now it is E of minus 5 value. So suppose you can take substitute common is E of minus 5, 5. This is what? 5. This is 0. Okay, 5, 0, nothing but 1, 5 to the power of 0, nothing but 1, plus here this is nothing but 5, this is nothing but 2 divided by 2 factorial, nothing but 5, 2 divided by 2 factorial, this is 1, this is 5 by 1, and here this is what? 1 minute, so the formula is like this. Okay, sorry. Alright. Now, e to the power of minus 5, 5, 0 divided by 0 factorial. Plus e to the power of minus 5, 5, 1, 1 factorial. Plus e to the power of minus 5, 5, 2 divided by 2 factorial. E to the power of minus 5, 3 by 3 factorial. Plus e to the power of 4, 5, e to the power of minus 5 by 4 by 4 factorial. E to the power of up to here only. Now, this is what e to the power of minus 5. 5 to the power of 0, 1. This is 1, but here, and this is 5. Here, this is 5 square, 25 by 2. So, this is what 3, that is 5 cube means 125 divided by 3 factorial, nothing but 6. Next, here 125 into 5, that is 625 divided by 4 factorial is nothing but 24. So now, so this e to the power of 5 value, e to the power of minus 5 equal to 0.0067. So ఇది మనకి టేబుల్లో ఉంటుందండి. 0.0067 into this one. This is the 65 point. After simplification, 60.5 this one. So this is 0.438. 43% is a success rate. Okay, ఇలా మనం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తాం. సో దీస్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఆర్ నాట్ ఇంటుగా ఒకవేళ వచ్చినా కూడా మనకి క్వశ్చన్లో ఈ ఈ టు ద పవర్ ఆఫ్ minus 5 వాల్యూ అనేది ఇస్తాడు. సో ఒకవేళ ఇస్తేనే మనం ఇది ప్రాపర్టీ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయొచ్చు. దిస్ ఫర్ ద ఫ్యాషన్ డిస్ట్రిబ్యూషన్, అంటే నెట్వర్క్ వర్క్ జరుగుతున్నప్పుడు ప్రాబిలిటీ ఎంత ఉంటుంది, సక్సెస్ ఎంత ఉంటుంది అనేది అలాంటి కేసెస్లో వీఆర్ యూజింగ్ దిస్ ప్రాబిలిటీ డిస్ట్రిబ్యూషన్. So this is what about the probability concept.